Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to record calls without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone dialer. So I'm going to click on my dialer right here. The next thing we want to do is to click on the setting icon. And it's going to take you right here. What you need to do is to simply turn on this particular button. And with that, each time you are receiving any incoming calls, the call is going to be automatically recorded without any stress. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.